2. Volleyball 2015 Senior Night. Quickly before we get started, on behalf of the 2015 Canon Millen Boys Volleyball Program, and especially the seniors, we'd like to thank Mr. Reynolds for all of his time and his great announcing for our games. So on behalf of the volleyball team, thank you, Mr. Reynolds, and here's your gift. Thank you.
Thank you, Armstrong. Thank you, seniors. Ladies and gentlemen, leading us into tonight's best of 5 varsity match is a moment of appreciation for our Big Mac volleyball crew. This is the time during every sports season that we set aside to honor a select group of athletes, our senior corps. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Big Mac Country's Blue and Gold Arena for Big Mac Volleyball Senior Night for the class of 2015. Our ceremony gets underway with the introduction of Joseph and his coat of many colors. Presenting outside hitter number 21, Joey Caldwell. Joey is escorted by his mom and stepdad, Danielle Marinsky and Jeffrey Baker. Joey is a 4-year member of the Canon McMillan JV and varsity football program in addition to his 4 years with the Canon McMillan volleyball team. Joey is also a member of the Canon McMillan All Men's Ensemble, concert choir, and 2-year member of the Bella Voce, for which he's traveled to Chicago, New York, and Washington, D.C. After graduation, Joey plans to attend first CCAC and then it's off to Geneva College to study economics in the pursuit of a career as an economic business advisor, Joey Caldwell. Introducing outside hitter number 23, Lucas Carroll. Lucas shares his walk with his parents, Zeffie and Clinton Carroll of North Strabane. Lucas is a 3-year letter winner in his 4 years with the volleyball team. In the fall, Lucas was named Pittsburgh's Positive Athlete of the Week for men's volleyball. He has also appeared on the Heinz Award Show. Lucas has achieved distinguished honor roll awards. He is an AP scholar who belongs to the National Honor Society and the Spanish Honor Society. Off the court, Lucas keeps himself busy by serving as the Student Council Vice President and a lead CM mentor. He is an active member of his church youth group, Greek Orthodox Youth of America. Lucas is a Nordenberg Leadership Scholarship recipient. He will attend the University of Pittsburgh to major in biomedical engineering. He's Lucas Carroll. Presenting the foundation of the squad, team manager Chelsea Hartman. Chelsea rocks the seniors' walk with her parents, Phyllis and Ed Hartman of Cecil. She is a 5-year member of the boys' volleyball team, securing 2 varsity letters. She is the founder and the president of the Canon McMillan Art Club, assisting in art projects throughout the Canon McMillan School District. She has participated in multiple art shows and has earned many awards for her contributions. Chelsea has received the Gold Key Andy Warhol and the Silver Key Andy Warhol Awards. She will be attending Edinburgh University on a scholarship to obtain a degree in fine arts. Chelsea Hartman. Presenting the first of 3 team captains, middle blocker number 35, Trevor King. Trevor walks the red carpet with his parents, Michelle and Timothy King of North Strabane. He's played on the boys volleyball team for 4 years, earning 3 varsity letters. This is his 2nd stint as team captain. Trevor has achieved distinguished honor roll status throughout his high school experience. He is a member of the German Club and is an active member of his church youth group, volunteering regularly in the security and children's ministries at the Bible Chapel. When he graduates, Trevor will attend Indiana University of Pennsylvania to secure a dual major, one in criminology, the other in religious studies. Trevor King. Introducing a team captain who wears a different uniform. He is the team libero, number 24, Austin March. Austin enjoys his moment with his mom, Susan March of Cecil. Austin is a 4-year volleyball member and a 3-year letter winner. He is a member of the National Honor Society, Spanish Honor Society, Student Council, Spanish Club, and the LEAD CM Mentor Program. That is plenty to keep this young man busy, but he takes it a little further by working as an ice hockey official. He is a member of the USA Ice Hockey Officials Association, the Pennsylvania Elite Officials, and Western Pennsylvania Hockey Officials Association. Austin will be attending Duquesne University, where he will major in elementary education. Austin March. Our third and final team captain is a middle blocker who wears number 33, Noah Mickey. Noah is escorted by his parents, Soretta and Doug Mickey of Cannonsburg. Noah is a 3-year member of the volleyball team who has earned 2 varsity letters. He is a member of the German Honor Society and is actively involved in mission work at John McMillan Presbyterian Church, including the Pittsburgh Project, Produce to People, and the World Vision. He will be attending an outreach mission trip this summer to Washington, D.C. Upon graduation, Noah plans to attend Indiana University of Pennsylvania to pursue a degree in information security. Noah Mickey. Presenting the team setter, number 8, Eddie Rippey. Eddie shares his limelight moment with his parents, Iris and Dell Rippey of Cannonsburg. He has been a member of the volleyball team for 3 years. He's also played for the Cannon Mac inline hockey team for 4 years, 2 years playing on the varsity squad. Since 2011, he's filled his spare time by officiating youth soccer. Upon graduation, he plans to attend Indiana University of Pennsylvania to pursue a degree in criminal justice. Officer Eddie Rippey. Our penultimate senior tribute belongs to a defensive specialist who wears number 7, Nick Sentmeyer. Nick enjoys this moment with his dad, Paul Sentmeyer of Lawrence. This is his 2nd year of volleyball play. He is also a 2-year member of the ski club and a 3-year member of the Cannon McMillan inline hockey team. Nick keeps himself busy outside of school with his employment at Valley Brook Country Club. In the future, Nick plans on attending Indiana University of Pennsylvania to study environmental science. After college, he will pursue a career with the United States Navy. Thank you in advance for your service, Ensign Nick Sentmeyer. Our senior volleyball tribute comes to fruition with the introduction of a sometimes setter, sometimes defensive specialist, always number 16, Clayton Shearer. Clayton walks the seniors walk with his mom and dad, Don Stevenson and Bob Shearer. Clay is a 4-year volleyball member, securing 3 varsity letters along the way. He was a 3rd-team all-section selection last year. He belongs to the National Honor Society and the French Honor Society. In addition to his academics and athletics, Clay works at Choice Respiratory Care. He plans on attending Ohio University to major in entrepreneurship.